Today we're gonna try this little OddityRC Xi25 Pro. I just installed Avatar HD unit inside. It had Avatar HD Pro before, but since I had some problems with one of my 5-inch quads Vista unit, I replaced it with that Avatar HD, and this one was sitting for like over a month and a half with nothing inside. So I got new Avatar unit and put it inside, and we're gonna test it now. And this one comes with custom made holder, split from 1 to 2 because it had one antenna before, so now it's with 2 antennas, and we're gonna see how it works.
Hello Seii-FPV, another flight test together. Yay, at promo.
Of course, it's windy again.
0 volts.
Uh-oh. I think it's my switch.
Arm, disarm, buzzer active.
Yes.
LED on, LED on.
Good. Let's put it that way. Yeah, let's test it.
LED on. Free arm active. Arm.
Oh, it's windy. It's really windy. This little dude does acro perfect.